monkeys, and in 1 second they made a bridge across that kund. We went to Gopinath, we went to Vrindavan, and many places we went. And last, we went to Chandramahari. There was cow grazing pastimes. Krishna played his flute, and the ground melted, and now the footmark of Krishna is there. Guruji says in the time of Padma 40 or 50 years before, we would go, and there we would see the footprints of the friends, the calves, Krishna's sticks, everything was there, but people had cut the stone and taken them to their houses. There from the top you can see Gurukhi Kund, and near there Sri Prabhupada Saraswati Thakur performed bhajan for many years, and just nearby is Kadamba Cave.
हरे कृष्णा। ब्रह्मचारीगण हम लोग बाल्टियां जो लेके गए थे साथ में 5 बाल्टियां नहीं मिल रही हैं। किसी को कुछ अगर उसके बारे में कुछ पूछना हो तो कृपया बताइए। 5 steel buckets are missing. With them we were serving the prasadam. If anybody has a clue for them, please inform us. Thank you.
Hare Krishna. Tomorrow, 3 o'clock in the afternoon, for those devotees who are keen to perfect their Sanskrit pronunciation, I heard it was a great success in the previous session. There will be another teaching session tomorrow afternoon, 3 o'clock, for the devotees who are keen to perfect their Sanskrit pronunciation. It will be held, not yet sure. Tomorrow morning we will announce where it will be held. Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna. So, today is 24th, 27th is initiation. So, it is devotees are requesting for initiation. 27. It will take place 27, the Bhajan Puja of Srila Gurudev. Whoever desire for initiation, they can register their name with Jiva Priya Prabhu tomorrow. बहुत से लोग हरिनाम दीक्षा के अनुरोध किया है, और लोग जीव प्रिय के पास काम नाम लिखा दें। जहाँ हरिनाम दीक्षा के अनुरोध करेছেন তারা কাউসালে ক্লাসের পর জীব প্রিয় লিখার নাম লিখে দিবেন। And tomorrow is the disappearance day of our Paramahansa Guru Padma, Om Vishnu Pad Sri Bhakti Raman Goswami Maharaj, and Om Vishnu Pad Master Goswami Bhakti Maharaj. Day after tomorrow, disappearance day of our spiritual grandsire, Nityalila Goswami Vishnu Pad Sri Bhakti Swami Maharaj. So tomorrow and day after tomorrow is no bus program outside of Govardhan. We will celebrate here tomorrow and day after tomorrow. Hare Krishna, thank you for your participation. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna. কালকে আগামীকাল আমাদের গুরু মহারাজ ওম কৃষ্ণ পাদ শ্রী ভক্তি মোহাম্মদ গোস্বামী মহারাজ এবং ওম কৃষ্ণ পাদ শ্রী বিক্রম গোস্বামী মহারাজের তিরুভাব তিথি। আর পরের দিন ছিল ভক্তি গোস্বামী মহারাজের তিরুভাব তিথি। कल हमारे गुरुवार को ओम विष्णु पाद श्री भक्त मोहम्मद गोस्वामी महाराज ओम विष्णु पाद विक्रम महाराज जी की भक्ति है, और परसों श्री भक्ति गोस्वामी महाराज की भक्ति है। हरे कृष्ण। हरे कृष्ण।